Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see today, what happened here, guys, all that news, by the way, that 2D killing us, that one, all of it is bad news, guys. Why? Because that, let me show it to you, because of that FTX. Because the ASA exchange FTX today they stop withdrawing, and that FTT of them it plumped 24% because they don't have collateral for it. So I think it is another Terra Classic or is another Luna. Now let's hope that it will not be that bad, because as you see it now, the market, how it's reacting to it. That's what I told you guys before. Don't leave your money in any exchange and any platform. It give you high yield. They got something not right, and as you see it now, I don't know what can we say. That's the only thing I can tell you guys. Now it's going back to the chart to show you more. Here we are in the chart, guys. Here, as you see, we used to have here that channel. We said it before, if you remember it. And that one me have been showing it to you before. I told you got here a channel. And as you see that candle here, it came to the down of it here and touch here. Oh, now either from here, we're going to break lower. And the Bitcoin is going to go more lower than this. Or big wells, they will not allow it to fall down that much. From here, they will push it upward again. And here, if you remember what we used to have here, I tell it to you before, I tell you we got here a wage, and as you see it, it's been broken here. And also we are the only channel we tell you from here the Bitcoin is going to fall down. And now if it closes like that, it's going to go till here, guys. Till 18k. That's the baddest news, guys. And that's what I told you when the weekly candle finished. I told you either we're going to see a moving upward or we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down again. And that's what it's showing here, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Yes, you. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos, guys, every day, 2 videos. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's very simple steps. Down a right button, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you're going to be notified every time when also we put in a new video. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now, guys, let's go into see our indicators with the same for pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, what it done here, if the daily candle close like that, all that breaking here, what happened here, is a fake breakout. And that the problem here, that FTX, they don't have any solution for that. They don't have nothing. Now the only solution they have, they do it like Celsius, how they do before. They stopping withdrawing. No, even them they stopping withdrawing because all the people they are scaring of the money of them from the platform. Now that the only things they have, they stop the withdrawal. So when they facing problems, they go back to retail traders. That's what I told you before, guys. Because a lot of people they came to me, they ask me, they want to invest in yield farming, they want to invest in NFTs. All I told you guys, and I repeat it again, all that crypto world, it's something new and there is no regulation yet. So if you want to be in the safe side, buy only the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the coin market cap and use like a Ledger wallet, or I don't know which wallet you want, but it needs to be you who got the control about your money. Don't leave the money in any platform. You buy, you send it to your wallet. When you are in profit, you go, you sell it, and you check in the profit, my friend. Everything is too clear. So now, as you see, guys, as we said, all the one is fake breakout. And now the one is it here, near to that place. So as you see, guys, as I told you, also we are near to that downtrend here, the one. And now either from here, we're going to see a going up, because even in the real chart, we are the same thing here. So maybe we're going to see it going back upward, or maybe we're going to see it falling down, because the uptrend, that one is not that stronger. And also we've been hoping that one is real breakout, but now look at it, it go back inside, guys. So we don't know tell where we're going to stay here, down in that downtrend. I think everything is too clear, guys. It's a very bad moment and sad moment, guys. I'm so sorry for that. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there. By the way, guys, support us, smashing the like button, helping us, guys. It's going now to the 4 hours to see what is it there. Here in the 4 hours, what did I told you in the last video? Last video is still in the channel. I told you we got here a cup and handle. By the way, the last videos get only 120 views. Here I told you got a cup and handle. If a candle close below it here, you enter short. So we'll dive you enter short from here. Look, tell where, my friend. Tell here, as you see it. Now what shall you do? Let me show you, my friend, what we got here in the 4 hours. For us to know where is exactly is going to go. As we said, we have here a triangle like that. That the triangle as we have. It's being broken now. Now you bring in that line. It's going to go till here, guys. Till here, exactly here. Till 18. Okay, guys, so it's still more room to fall down till here, till that level we have down here. Then either we're going to see it stay sideways here, or from here it's going to go in higher. And here, that channel as we said before, we bring it from here like that, as you see the channel as we said before, guys. And also now we are down in the down of that channel. So either from here is going to reverse, or from here is going to break down, guys. So now there is no buying. Enter short, I'll show you where to enter short. So now you need to be in profit if you enter short here in the 4 hours. I was going to say our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, if you remember, as we told you when we used to be here, we got a divergence, all those things. And we show you in the last video when we be in here, we told you that the right time for you to enter short. All those things, it's still in the channel, guys. Now where we are down here at the oversold area. Yes, from here every time it reverse. So what should you do now? It's need the chart to give you a price action indicating the market is going to reverse. But till now, it's not yet, guys. It might. We're going to stay here. The oversold area, the market is going to drop more till 18k. So be careful, guys. And also now, we are in the control of the bears. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying, guys, for picture to be more clear to you. Even that one, we show it to you thousands of times. We told you we got here a divergence like that. All those things. And we told you the only price action we have here, that cup and handle. When it's being broken, you enter short. Now you are in profit. And we told you another price action, that triangle we used to have here, it's being broken here. Now we'll dive you enter, guys. So you are in profit now, but the take profit of you it need to be down here at 18k, because if you bring that level here and that one down here is the same, so the take profit of you need to be down here at 18k. And our indicator now it started entering here at the oversold area, but it's going to stay here a little bit. It's not yet that red, so it's going to be going more down, guys. And also we are the only channel we've been telling you all those things. We're telling you the Bitcoin is going to reverse. That's what it's showing, guys. Now even if that indicator here is at the oversold area, there is no price action here indicating also we're going to reverse from here. So it needs more time, guys. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, we used to be here, guys. I told you we got here a wage like that. Here exactly in that place where we been, where it's breaking that wage here. So for people they want to scalp, although you enter from here, a short opportunity. Lock till where, guys? Now in that place where we are here, did we got any price action there? Not yet. You can only make that one as a flag like that, and that one is a continuation pattern. That man, you bring that peak from here, and if it's breaking like that down, it's going to go till 18k. But as also we know, we need to base our trading because of our indicators, guys. What our indicator is saying, let's see it now. Our indicator is still here at the oversold area. That's why me I've been telling you guys, don't base your trading about oscillators. So as you see it, we enter at the oversold area from here. Look till where? From 21k till 19k, guys. Not a lot of money to lose here. If you are a scalper, me I'm talking about. Let's see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it now, the divergence is very, very clear here. As you see it, it's very, very, very clear divergence here. Now, for you to enter long, it's need to come and to break for you at the top of that flag here. If it came and break in here, you enter long, guys. If it doesn't, don't even think off. And if you enter long, you put stop loss down, then that flag, everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.